watching Quad Cities Live.
If you're ready to get started on an exterior project, you're probably considering a variety of construction options based on durability, design, and of course energy costs. Metal is becoming an increasingly popular choice for all those reasons and many more. Sammy Barger is joining me from Affordable Metal Manufacturing. Sammy, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so talk more about the business and the kind of projects you work on, because it's more, than just roofing.
Sure. So our business opened in 2008 in Kelowna, Iowa. Russ Miller was the original owner.
Okay.
And he started seeing a need to grow, that was growing in the construction field. More people were wanting steel roofing, and the post-frame construction business was booming. So that's where it started. Now we're in 2012, we moved to Muscatine, Iowa, which is where we are now.
All right, you're headquartered there in Muscatine. So, we're kind of focusing a lot on metal. So why is this material becoming a better alternative these days than other material?
It's a much more sustainable product. It lasts longer. It's more durable to the high winds. In Tornado Alley alone, we're in one of the top 5 states for the most wind, tornadoes, hail damage, and it's just getting increasingly more. So it's a sustainable product that can withstand that weather kind of.
Yeah, derecho comes to mind when I think of that. I'm sure a lot of people were thinking of that when the derecho moved through back in 2020. So we're seeing some of the photos here of some of the metal roofing that you have. And I was kind of talking to you before. I was wondering, is it more businesses who are doing that? But you're saying more residential homeowners are doing this option of metal.
It's both, really. Both are really starting to get into it more. People are tired of replacing the roof every 10 to 15 years. These are a lifetime roof. So, the cost might be a little more, but when you look at it down the road, you're going to buy one roof or 5 of them.
Sure. As a person who just got a new roof here recently, it is a pain. I wish I would have maybe broadened my horizons on the material, because it does sound like that this is pretty sustainable. So along with the roofing, you also have options for siding as well.
Yes, we just came out. We just got a new machine that runs our board and batten siding.
Okay.
It comes in 24 and 26 gauge.
Oh, yeah.
And
very
10.
Sturdy.
Yeah, very sturdy.
Yeah.
It's in 10-inch and 12-inch panels.
Okay.
And it's very durable. It withstands all the hail very well. It's got a high wind rating. The 24 gauge is actually Energy Star rated.
Okay.
So it's a very good sustainable product. It's easy to install. It's just like vinyl siding. It may be a little slower because it's metal. You got to be a little more careful, but very easy to install and contractor friendly.
And with siding, hail comes to the top of my mind with it. You want to make sure that the outside of your house is protected as much as it can from the hail. So
sure,
this will do it for you.
Yeah, and we actually roll this one on site. So so whenever people order up their siding, they will actually come on site and roll these 2 length on your job site.
Okay.
So that makes it kind of handy. Some people have limits on how long the panels can get. We don't.
Sure. Okay.
So.
All right. So we want to talk a little more about a UL rating. You were kind of talking about the Energy Star rating, but this kind of puts it all together, and it's a lot more along the lines of insurance purposes, right? Insurance companies like to look at this rating.
Yes, insurance companies want to know that your metal's UL rated, and that this year with our Smart Rib, we got UL rated with it, which means it's got a Class 4 impact rating, a Class 90 wind rating, and a Class A fire protection rating.
So this is like top of the top then?
Yes, this is as good as it gets for exterior products on your home.
Okay, and you all kind of pride yourself on your customer service, and you also work to be contractor friendly. So what do you mean by that? It's more than just like, hey, we're going to come to your roof, we're going to come to your siding. You try to have like that personal connection with your customers.
Yeah, we definitely do, especially with our customers and our contractors. We try to build a relationship with them, and that's key for us. Yeah. We have what we call lunch and learns for our contractors. When we take on a new contractor and they start buying products for them, I will actually come to their office, buy the whole company lunch, teach them about our company, what we're about, what they expect out of us, how to order, how to estimate, how to install, anything they need to know. So it's a comfortable transition for them.
And you can have that face-to-face conversation of any questions that they might have that you might not even think could come up, but if you're having that personal connection, they might feel more comfortable and more opted to ask you those questions.
Yeah,
all right, so you've got a, I'm sorry, were you going to add something?
The customer service, hands down, we got the best customer service there is. If you're missing a panel or 2 panels because it was ordered wrong, we're going to do our best to get them there that day or the next.
All right, good to know.
So,
good to know. So there's a big incentive for people watching this segment right now.
Yeah.
So talk about the deal that people have.
So if you call us up and you're wanting an estimate on either a post frame building, siding, roofing, whatever, and you mention metal from watching this show, you get a 12% discount on your full project.
All right, so all you have to do is mention metal, METAL. That's easy to remember, right?
Yep.
All right, awesome, and you'll get 12% off. All right, so you can learn more about the products or even check out a gallery of completed projects by visiting affordablemetalmfg.com. And as we were just mentioning, you don't want to forget about that 12% discount for watching Quad Cities Live today. Just use the promo word metal. Sammy, thanks so much for coming and sharing what you do.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Yeah, of course, absolutely. Well, still to come on QCL.